Hey there, it's Mark from Editor's Keys. Look what has arrived in the office today. This is the new Microsoft Surface Pro X. So if I'm honest, I hate these unboxing videos, but I know you love them, so I've done this video just for you. This is going to be an unboxing of the UK version of the Microsoft Surface Pro X. So let's jump right in and see what's inside. So here it is, this is the Surface Pro X. Let's get into it. Let's take off the cellophane. So this is the 128GB model with 8GB of RAM. Let's open up and see what Microsoft has put on the inside. Get rid of that. It's always nice opening up these boxes. There we go. So here it is. This is the Surface Pro X. Wow, it's super thin. Super, super thin. Let's just quickly take it out and have a look at that. Very tightly on. Wow, that is a beautiful looking device. We've got the kickstand there. Let's take this out. Beautiful looking device, very, very thin indeed. It's crazy to think that is a Windows machine, but we'll have a proper look at that in a little while. Let's just put that in front of us. What else comes in the box? We have got some instructions, pretty standard stuff. We have the charger. UK charger, of course, in this model. And really, that's all that comes inside. It's pretty minimal packaging, cardboard, which is good to see. Let's have a look at the keyboard type cover. This is, of course, the UK variant. How you can tell if it's a UK model, of course, is with the L-shaped return key. So let's open this up. Let's have a little look inside. Get rid of that. Open this up here. There we go. So this is the type cover. I actually went for the model which comes with the new Surface Pen. Oh, it's very thin. It kind of reminds me initially of a carpentry pen. My dad's a carpenter, so it's kind of like one of those carpentry pens which are very thin and narrow, which is kind of cool. We've got the Surface type cover there, and of course this just magnetically, oh, it didn't go in. There we go, just magnetically goes in to the Surface like so. So there we go, that's the unboxing. So there we go, that's my really quick unboxing of the Surface Pro X. I'm really looking forward to doing a full review of this and seeing if this could replace my iPad Pro or be a travel laptop for me on the go. So if you want to see that full review, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give it a like and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of when this full review goes up on the channel.